What's up, everybody? So it's Friday afternoon or evening, and we're going to go ahead and tear into this transfer case, put the old output shaft in it that I had, and hopefully get this thing back together tonight. So we'll see how she goes. Alrighty, we didn't waste a whole lot of time making footage on this, just some little clips of it, but I was just wanting to make sure I can get this thing done tonight, and it is. So the only thing I have left to do is put my yoke back on. I don't know how good this seal is, but we're gonna find out. But yeah, I got to put the yoke on and slap this thing back in. So hopefully tomorrow I can get this thing put in. Yeah, the yoke is still connected to the drive line, so I got to get that off. But yeah, this thing went together pretty easy, and yeah, it still took me a couple hours to pull it all apart and swap everything, but it's together and ready to go in. So thanks for watching.